It's a beautiful day today. You know what that means. It's the perfect day for bubble tea and thrifting.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Here's the outfit. And I'm probably gonna wear a leather jacket. I'm always like experimenting with my hair, and I tried like waving the bang today. It didn't work, so then I wet it and tried like flattening it, but it looks a little crazy, so hopefully within the hour it'll look normal. Hey angels, welcome to the haul portion of the video. I literally just filmed the haul portion to last week's thrift haul, and now we're filming the back-to-back but for different videos, if that makes sense. So I have everything I bought in here unwashed, still from the store. It's been a few days. So okay guys, this is a good like mini haul. Let me tell you, I got to the thrift store for a good while. I was finding like nothing. I think I had one good item in my cart, and then out of nowhere I'm like finding good things back to back. So I found these tights, and I don't think you understand, like this is one of my favorite parts of the haul because I really love fun tights. Like, look at these. Are you kidding me? It's the cutest striped like red tights ever, and then these purple ones, and they're like sheer, and I love purple. So like this like had me exasperated. I was so excited. And then guys, I was so happy about this. So I found these fold over Victoria's Secret leggings, and they didn't have a price tag on them. So I like asked an employee, I was like, hey, like sorry, there's like no price tag, could you price it? And this sweet individual priced it at $5 Canadian. So I was so happy about this. And they flare, which is fun because a lot of the times the fold over pants I find they're not flared, so these are, and they're just so beautiful. Look at the stars and the pink, it's just marvelous. Okay, I need to chill with the expressive words. Anyways, then this little cardigan, is it inside out? Oh, it might be. It doesn't matter. It looks the same inside, from the inside and the outside, sort of. I don't know. Anyways, it's a really adorable little cardigan. It's super sheer, super flowy. It's such a good outfit topper. I think I have a little clip of me trying this on, so you could kind of see it went with my outfit, and really like it stepped it up. And this is light enough that you could wear this like any season, like in the warmer weather too. So I'm excited about that. Ooh, you know, I'm kind of excited because I forgot what I bought for this haul because it's just been shoved in the bag for like a week practically. I love these types of tops. They just cinch, they look good, they're flattering, and they're kind of Elena Gilbert vibes. So I love them. So my boyfriend got a shirt during the same haul, and his shirt is still in my bag. So this is the shirt he got, in case anyone was wondering. Cute. Okay, back to me. Back to me, because it's all about me and what it's all about me and what I can do. It's gonna be me, the director will choose. It's all about working hard, shining like a star. I'm gonna win because I can't lose. Anyway, listen to this. Okay, so I'm going through the men's aisle to help my boyfriend get some style, because does anyone understand how it is to be dating someone that has no style and you're like trying to help him? Like, he's getting there, guys, he's getting there. But we're looking through the men's shirts. So I do half of the rack, he does the other half. And here's the thing, I don't trust him, so I go through the entire section he had checked. Good thing I did that, because he missed this. He missed a Pierce the Veil shirt. I love Pierce the Veil. Okay, I might be seeing them in concert. I don't know yet. I really have to just purchase the tickets. But yeah, so always look through the aisles that your friends or boyfriends or mothers or fathers have checked, because they're probably skipping stuff because they're not as good of a thrifter as you. Next, this top. Is this big? Did I try this on? Because now that I'm looking at it, it might be kind of big. it's this little American Eagle cable knit. Like, you can see what it is. Not much to it. And that is the whole haul. So thank you for watching, my angels. Oh, also, if anyone was wondering about this outfit, I made this outfit. I talked about it a little bit in my last video. I made this bag to go with it. I'll probably post a video about this outfit if the footage is right, because I'm really bad at filming. Even though I love it, anyways. Okay, I love you, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go.